Hey, welcome to Flipp Me. My name is Ron, and along with Art Flair, Mark Bishop, and Venkata, we'd like to introduce you to this very unusual profit flipping technique. And I do mean unusual. I'm willing to bet you've never even considered this before. Not like this, and certainly not with these two unlikely platforms. So, what is profit flipping, and what's Flipp Me? Well, number one, profit flipping is another way to describe a technique known as arbitrage. Maybe you've heard of arbitrage. Perhaps you've even tried it. But just in case you're not sure what I'm talking about, let me explain. Arbitrage is actually pretty simple, and it's been around forever. It begins with the product. First of all, you find a popular product, a product that people are happy to pay good money for. Then you find the same or very similar product at a fraction of the selling price and list it where you know it sells for more. And your profit? Well, that comes from those price differentials. Pretty easy, right? Well, it is. But Flipp Me makes the process even easier. So, can you spare 5 minutes? Because that's all it takes. And it's as simple as copying the listing details from this platform and then pasting them on that platform. I mean, you know how to copy and paste, don't you? Sure you do. And that's the only skill you're going to need to set up multiple income streams in minutes with Flipp Me, as you'll discover right under this video. But first, let me tell you about Flipp Me and how it's already helping people like you and me make money in literally hours. So, what's so special? Well, Flipp Me is a complete package, a complete video and PDF step-by-step formula. Nothing groundbreaking about that, right? But here's the thing. The simple copy and paste trick enables ordinary people to start building income streams without cost or experience. That's right. There really is zero cost. It works because it matches two very unlikely platforms together with explosive results. Essentially, all you have to do is follow a very simple blueprint and list somebody else's product on the platform we reveal for 4 times the price. And that's it. The platform even has its own traffic and buyers built in. Could you do that? Could you paste someone else's listing details onto the platform we tell you to for 4 times the price? I bet you could. And look, isn't it about time you started actually making money instead of spending it? Can you spare 5 minutes to make an extra $150 every week? Would you like to see your first commission by this time tomorrow? Of course you would. Who wouldn't? Well, with Flipp Me, you can. People just like you are already doing it, and just take a look below. And remember, this whole method boils down to 3 very simple steps. 1, locate the products. 2, copy the listing from one platform. And 3, paste it on another for 4 times the original price. And Flipp Me reveals the whole thing from start to finish, so you can start making money as early as tomorrow. And guess what? Maybe even today. So let me recap. There's zero cost. The whole thing will take you around 5 minutes, and all you have to do is copy from here and paste there. That's it. Oh, and just in case you were wondering, no, you never have to touch the product, let alone mess about with shipping and handling.